is up, everybody? Happy Saturday morning. We are back out on the river today. We got the jugs. Him's baiting them up as we speak with somebody. Yep, somebody caught me on this on the last fishing video. I didn't say what we've baiting with. Strawberry chicken. It's a good go-to, especially when we ain't had time to go get live bait. So that's what we're doing. We're targeting mainly blues and channels will eat the strawberry chicken. We've caught a lot of blues on this river on strawberry chicken. So if you want a video on how to make it, let us know, and we'll try to get you one in the comments. But anyway, so we've got our new jugs. Em is baiting up right now. We've got our other ones fixing to get baited up. We're going to run a total of 40 jugs today on the river in hopes to try to catch a decent meal. What we're trying to do, which we should have started months ago, but some of y'all have known, some of y'all didn't, but Dad passed away back in May, so that kind of threw a wrench in the whole year. So we're getting a late start to stocking up our winter meat supply as far as fish wise. So we're going to hustle and bustle in the next month or so and try to get as much in as possible on the river, and that's going to be it. Hopefully we catch quite a bit, but we're going to double up today. Normally we run about what, 20? Normally we run about 20 line or 20 jugs. Today we're doing 40. We also have the top up. It is supposed to be in the 90th day. The August is not letting off one bit. But anyway, we're gonna finish getting she's gonna finish getting them set up. I'm gonna get the camera set up so I don't have to fight with them and the motor and everything else. And we're gonna get to throwing these jugs out. So why don't y'all come along? It'll be a lot of fun. Got here, y'all ready?
They said yeah.
Y'all start getting ready to throw one out.
I'm ready.
Just wait a minute. All right, throw it out, son. That's all of them, right? Now I know some of y'all are gonna say, man, that is a lot of jugs. But it's legal. We can have 50 a person or 50 per boat. And half of these are mine, half of these are hers. So we're well under our limit. We can still put out 10 more to be legal on the boat. We're not going to, but we could. But now the fun part begins. We just sit here and watch them and kind of just patrol back and forth, and hopefully we catch something. Fingers crossed. That's kind of what we do. I don't know if he's on it or not. If he is, he ain't doing nothing with it, just sitting there holding it. Drop it back. Had a bite on one. Oh God. Don't have nothing on it? No, don't put it. We're not putting no more bait on it. Oh. Roll it up, Jamie. Knock my head off. Yeah, I'm fine. I just did exactly what Mama said I was going to do. Feel big? Get him in the boat.
It's a fiddler.
He's an eater.
There you go. You gotta empty out the thing.
Yeah, empty out the thing. Hand him back here.
Okay.
Empty it out, Jamie. Okay, Jordan, empty it out, buddy.
Give me the gloves.
I had the hook back there, sir. Hang
What?
There we go. Nice fiddler, guys. We'll eat him. He's about perfect size. Like a bit of hair bigger, but you know. Turn it, son. Other way. Lefty loosey. We're gonna fill the live up with some water. Put this little guy in it. Whoever's got this needs to roll it up for me. Nice little fiddler. A lot of people just throw them back because it's too little, but they're good eating. I'm gonna tell y'all, any of y'all interested in doing YouTube and fishing at the same time, it's not as easy as it looks. Go ahead and you gotta twist it. Alright, now flip it. Or not, don't listen to me. And he's in the live well. So hopefully on to the next one. Team, who done the last one? See him kind of running. Alright, son. Maybe one on that other one too up there.
Yeah, he's on
Get him over. There you go. There's another one on that one. Come on. Hold on, guys. I gotta get him handled here. Can I have the hook? Alright, whoever, roll this up. Who you got? Alright. Another fiddler.
Jamie, you got the name first?
I'm gonna go check this other one. It's doing some moving around too. Who's it? Jamie's?
Yeah.
They're not big, but they'll eat.
Gotta roll the sleeves.
Here we go, here we go.
There's another one.
Get him in a boat.
Yeah, it is.
There you go. Bigger than the other one, huh?
I think he might have started.
I think you did.
That's awesome.
Let's find something on it.
Get him up.
Yeah,
There you go, come on.
but I'm pretty
You gotta settle down. Boy, you getting smart. You've been hooked before or something. Alright, roll this one up. Get him over. Alright, I gotta get out of the tree, so hold on. Oh, he swallowed the hook too. Alright guys, so we hadn't had any bites on the green ones. If you watched our making jugs video, they're only about 5 foot anyway. So we pulled every green one out and made sure we got all the pink ones out. Pink ones are running about 10 foot roughly. And that's the ones we've been getting. We've caught all of these on so far, so be a little bit easier to manage. I don't know if you can tell but the sky, but there's some storms around, so we're gonna keep an eye on that as well. But hopefully we can get, I'd love to have some more, but if not, we've been blessed anyway today. So we're gonna sit here and continue watching them and bring y'all back if we start chasing any. Well, that was a false alarm. Got bites, but there's nothing taking it. So I say there will be. Alright, we're gonna throw this one back out. No, I'll tell you when. That one was kind of out of the ordinary. Alright. Don't know if y'all can see it on camera. There is a crap ton of carp right there. Perfect time to have a bow. You can probably see them kind of feeding. Yeah, identical time to have a bow. But there's probably 10 or 15. Oh, it's probably more than that, isn't there?
I counted 10, but
at least 10. At least 10 of them there. I don't know, this jug was getting a nibble a while ago. So, and I was changing batteries out on one of my cameras. So we're gonna let him just, if he takes it, great. If not, it wasn't worth it. But that was pretty cool. We really gotta get into bow fishing.
Agreed.
Anybody on here that watches us got any experience with bow fishing? Let us know. Kind of curious. Just go slow, son. Let me get the net ready. Don't wrap it around your hand. Bring it up. Let him go. All right.
Good job.
He's not a big one, but he'll it open, James. Oh, another night. Not a bad fiddler. It'll be all right. They're the ones that concentrate on one at a time, everybody. Come on, son. Get him in the boat. Well, we have sat here, we had a tugboat go through a while ago and just absolutely, we actually took on water from it. We was kind of beached up here and the wave come over the back of the boat, and luckily we was on the, already at the bank and it wasn't that bad. I was able to pump it off with the village pump, but a little bit of a excitement for a moment. Bite has completely turned off. Most of the air has shut off. There's some storms popping up all around. We have 7 fish in the live well. I'm pretty content with that today.
Yep, couldn't ask for a better day.
Nope. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna go out here. We've been out here for 6 hours, roughly. 5 hours, something like that, I don't know. We've been out here since about 11 and it's right at 4 o'clock now, so what's that, 5 hours?
Yeah.
And we are about 3 miles downriver from the boat ramp. So I think what we're gonna do is just start picking these things up, heading back towards the boat ramp and try to get our butts home, get these fish took care of. And I am gonna get a that burned haircut. My head is about to burn up. All right, let's get her fired up and get these jugs off the river. Took me a minute to get off that bank here. At least we did find some shade. Go get him. Woohoo! The dragon. Wasn't no bait on it?
No bait on it?
Alright, give me a minute. After we get this next one here, I'll get set up to start taking them and putting them in the bait. Okay?
The lightning shows my weakness, the thunder knows my secrets. The storm is like a brother, it knows me like no other. So let it rumble, let it roll, 'cause it's all I know. You can keep your calm and easy, but that peaceful life ain't for tree, like it can sense the reckless in me. And when the clouds roll in, it's like I'm home again. Don't need your safe and sound. Let the rain come down. Let the rain come down. Let the rain come down. Oh. I see the waters rising with waves as strong as iron. My soul was born for running. The darkness is my compass.
All right, guys. So we chased jugs for about 2 miles today. We got 7 fish in the cooler or in the live well. We got all the jugs now picked up, and unless something happens between here and the 3 miles back to the ramp, and yes, I did say 3. We drove a mile down, then we started throwing the jugs out, and then we chased them for 2 miles. But unless something happens between here and the ramp, we're gonna go ahead and sign off of here. We love you. God bless, stay safe. See you next time, and thank you for watching Pond River Outdoors.
Bye.
Everybody say bye.
Bye. Jamie.
She's a sourpuss. Anyway, guys, we'll see y'all next time. Bye.